Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim bismillahir rahmanir rahim qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam قل أندعو من دون الله ما لا ينفعنا ولا يضرنا ونرد على أعقابنا بعد إذ هدانا الله كالذي استهوته الشياطين في الأرض حيران له أصحاب يدعونه إلى الهدى ائتنا قل إن هدى الله هو الهدى وأمرنا لنسلم لرب العالمين. Translation: Say, should we call others instead of Allah to those who can neither help or benefit us nor harm us? And are we to turn on our heels astray after Allah has guided us? We would then be like him who shaitans bewitched and left to wander on earth making blunders, while he has companions who invite him to guidance, calling, "Come unto us." Say, indeed, guidance of Allah is the only right guidance, and we have been ordered to submit as Muslims to the Rabb of the worlds. In the reasons of revelations, it is mentioned that the polytheist of Makkah told the believers that come to our path and leave the path of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent this ayah. Also, Hazrat Ibn Abbas razillah ta'ala anhu narrated that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in this ayah about a man who has lost his way, and the people who were with him are calling him towards the right path, and he has been lost in a jungle, and there are devils, shayateen, jinn, and these jinns are making him wander on earth and making blunders, and they are trying to misguide him and to take him on their own ways, and he is there astonished. And if he goes towards these devils, he has lost the path, and if he goes towards his own companions, then he gets the right guidance and is saved from these devils. When the polytheists call the Muslims towards the misguidance and going back towards the kufr and shirk, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told the Muslims that, answered them that how can we leave Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who has complete control of all the goodness and all the harm, and should we call those people who have no control on goodness and no control on harm? If we do like that, we will be like the person who is explained above in the example. Also, the guidance is the guidance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Nobody can guide other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has commanded Muslims that they should obey the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَأَنْ أَقِيمُوا الصَّلَاةَ وَاتَّقُوا وَهُوَ الَّذِي إِلَيْهِ تُحْشَرُونَ. Translation: And establish salah, prayer, and be pious, fearing him, and he is Allah to whom you will be gathered. So in the previous ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has ordered Muslims to submit to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala completely, and whoever submits has to establish salah and prayer and has to strive for taqwa. And he is the one everyone has to return to. And when everyone is returned to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he will do the decisions on everyone. And we can never leave the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and can never go away from the tawheed of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of the Quran and make us complete 100% Muslim. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.